right, well, I'm Dan Parks. I'm with Sound Semiconductor. We make ICs for electronic musical instruments and integrated circuits. Not my first time doing this before. I was CEO of SSM and fortunate again enough to be able to put together a team of former SSM staffers, including some of our really great designers, to launch this enterprise. So we're here at NAMM showing some of our products that we have. We have two right now. One is an improved reissue of the highly regarded SSM 2044, which is a low-pass 4-pole filter. It's the original designer, Dave Rossum, who was the principal designer on the SSM chip that did our part, the SSI 2144. But it has some improvements. It's done on a modern process, and Dave was able to, apply what he's had a few decades to think about on how to improve the filter chip, and it's manifested itself in the SSI 2144. So it's basically the same chip, just has some refinements. We definitely did not want to do anything that would risk the mojo of the chip. But there was some functional improvements. We changed the pin out a little bit. For today's customers, they want surface mount package, so it's in a very small SSOP package. We don't make it available in a dip package. The pin connections changed. They make a lot more sense. Signal, two inputs are on the same side. The control inputs are on the same side, unlike the original chip. So that's basically it in a nutshell. Instead of me talking about it, perhaps I can give you a brief demo. Sure. So what I've got here is some VCO sequences provided by Rutger Vlek of River Creative Technology. And we've got our chip on a small evaluation board that has the two controls. One is the filter cutoff frequency, a low-pass filter. And the other, where I think really the magic happens, is the resonance control. I'll kind of give you the idea. There's an infinite number of variations you can do through the two controls, but like I say, one of our key criteria when we developed this was to not risk the mojo of that chip, and we're really happy with the way it sounds so great, and I hope you agree. So the other thing that we're just getting into production is our improved reissue of the SSM 2164. It's a quad VCA. It's become a very standard building block in analog synthesizers. Like the filter chip, we're fortunate enough to have the original designer that did the redesign. So it's got some great improvements. One is better distortion across the board in every respect. And also improved input stage allows input current handling increase fourfold, so 4 times the current handling to 2 milliamps. And as a result, it gives yet even more flexibility with the values of the input and output resistors, where you can have trade-offs noise versus distortion, you can get some incredibly good noise performance out of this chip. And it's available in the industry standard surface mount package. And we'll have these in stock in about another month or so. So we haven't quite done a formal announcement on it yet, but it's virtually released at this point in time. What's coming up next? So we don't actually have anything announced yet on what's product number 3 or 4. But one of the things we're here at NAMM is to talk to the community, designers in particular, to find out what they want to see. As you might imagine, there's no shortage of ideas. And we would like to actually get our designers to work on some of these ideas, and we'll have hopefully some more information forthcoming at a later time.